Hey, Matt here, investments editor at Finder. Broker bonuses seem like a pretty simple way to get yourself some free money, right? Until you read the fine print. Most are legit, but many come with a subscription, a long hold on the money, or a payout schedule that makes the bonus way smaller than it sounds. So I ranked the best broker bonuses available right now that you actually keep after fees, taxes, and any of those annoying rules that make you want to Gronk style spike your phone off the pavement. And I'll tell you one reason each platform might be worth staying with after the bonus. I ranked them by situation because a rollover bonus shouldn't compete with a starter deal if you're just opening up a new account for the first time. And because promos kick in at different levels, I use one simple example amount per bucket, so we're comparing apples to apples. Here's why. Moving money, $25,000, because that's a realistic transfer or rollover size where 1% to 3% match can be significant. IRA contributions, $7,500, because that's the 2026 contribution limit, and it lets me compare match percentages cleanly. Normal deposits, $2,000, because a ton of these offers have clear tiers starting at $500 and $2,000. So $2,000 is a realistic new account funding amount. And starter deals, I'm not doing one strict ranking because the structures are totally different. Some are fixed value, some are random, some require recurring deposits. I'll give you the best starter deal by type. Then I subtract stuff that acts like a real cost. If there's a subscription, I count it. For taxable bonuses, I estimate what you keep using a simple 25% marginal tax rate assumption. Your actual rate depends on your bracket and your state, of course. For transfers, I assume your old broker charges about $75 to transfer out. If the new broker reimburses that outgoing ACATS fee, I treat that cost as neutral. Then I ding any annoying rules, long hold installment payouts, promo codes, and hard deadlines. A bonus gets you in the door, but I'll also tell you one reason each platform might keep you there. Bucket one, moving money, transfers, and rollovers. So number 3 is Public. Public's offer is simple: transfer an eligible brokerage IRA or retirement account, and you get a 1% match. The big rule: the matched funds have to stay for 5 years. If you're not planning to stay put, skip this one. ACATS note: if you transfer $5,000 or more, Public reimburses outgoing transfer fees up to $100. So that typical $75 outgoing fee is usually covered, but the reimbursement usually posts after the transfer completes. And why you'd stay, bonus aside, you'd stay if you want a clean, modern experience and low-cost options trading. Number 2 is Robinhood, specifically for rollovers. Robinhood's headline is a 2% retirement bonus for IRA transfers and 401k rollovers, specifically for Gold subscribers. Gold costs $5 per month or $50 annually, and the promotion runs through April 30th, 2026. And you must remain a Gold subscriber for at least 1 year after the funds settle. Same concept. There's a long-term requirement, so this isn't for bonus hopping, it's for people who can commit to Robinhood. Robinhood reimburses your old broker's outgoing transfer fees up to $75 if you transfer at least $7,500, so the common ACATS fee shouldn't reduce your bonus amount. Why you'd stay? If you like an intuitive, mobile-first app and uncomplicated trading tools. Quick sidebar: Robinhood also has an IRA contribution match with Gold, different bonus, different base. We'll rank contribution matches next. And number 1 for moving retirement money is Webull Premium, because it has the highest match percentages. Webull Premium has a 3% IRA match on transfers through March 31st, 2026, and it also has a 3.5% match on IRA contributions. Regarding ACATS transfers for IRAs, Webull reimburses up to $75 on your first IRA transfer of $5,000 or more. So that typical outgoing transfer fee is often neutral. Separate thing, Webull also has a taxable match bonus promo with its own payout schedule. I'll hit that later in the lightning round. Why you'd stay: if you're a mobile first trader and will actually use Webull's trader style charts and tools, because that's what Webull is built for. Webull also wins the contribution match bucket. Let's rank those next. Bucket 2, IRA contribution matches. These aren't transfer bonuses. They're based on what you contribute this year and the rules matter. Number 2 is Robinhood Gold. With Gold, the match is up to 3% on annual IRA contributions. Without Gold, 1%. Gold costs money, $5 per month or $50 annually, so the match only shines if you're contributing enough and you'll follow the hold rules. And number 1 in this bucket is Webull Premium. The match rate is 3.5% on IRA contributions. Same reminder, Webull Premium costs money, $3.99 per month or $40 per year. So again, the math only makes sense if you're contributing enough and you're going to follow those hold rules. Bucket 3, normal deposits. Number 2 is Ally. Ally has a $100 bonus with 2 paths, a self-directed path with a $1,000 transfer within 30 days or a robo path with 3 consecutive transfers of at least $50. ACATs know Ally also credits $75 toward possible transfer fees if you complete a transfer of $2,500 or more. Why you'd stay? If you already bank with Ally and you want everything in one place. Number 1 for normal deposits is Moomoo. Deposit $500 and you get $30 in NVIDIA stock. Deposit $2,000 and you get $100 in NVIDIA stock, and it scales up. There's also optional cash sweep coupon add-on. If you hate extra steps, ignore that and treat this as a pure NVIDIA bonus. Why you'd stay? If you want more built-in tools and market data than your typical mobile-first trading app. Starter deals are hard to rank because the structures are totally different. One is fixed value, some are random, some require recurring deposits. So here are the best starter deals by type. The best fixed value starter is Schwab. Deposit $50 within 30 days. And Schwab will deposit $50 that you can then split equally across the top 5 stocks in the S&P 500. And the best low minimum structured deal, Acorns. If you're okay with recurring deposits, Acorn is a clean, low minimum deal. First, recurring investment of at least $5, then you get $20 the following month. All right, lightning round, real offers, but the value is random or the rules might be a little complex. Robinhood sign up stock, link a bank or debit card and get $5 to $200 in stock. The value is random with higher chances of getting the lowest amount. SoFi Claw Game, fund $50 within 45 days and you get a Claw Game reward. Again, value is random between $5 and $1,000. If you're a SoFi Plus member, you can potentially double the value. The Webull taxable match, 3% at $2,000 and up to 4% at $100,000, plus up to $100 transfer fee reimbursement, but it's 6 installments through 2031, and the first payment is only 2%. TradeStation, tiered cash, $150 at $5,000, $300 at $25,000, up to $3,500, but you've got a 270-day hold and a promo code that you've got to use. We'll put that on the screen here. Merrill Edge, tiered cash, up to $600 with the promo code 600ME. Starts at $20,000 to get $100, 45 days to make a qualifying deposit, and you must hold for 90 days. JP Morgan self-directed, tiered cash, up to $1,000, starts at $5,000 for a $50 bonus, 45 days to fund, then 90-day hold period. Last on the list is E-Trade, brokerage promo code offer26 and retirement account promo code retire26. Start at $1,000 for $50 in cash credit. Quick bonus stacker, find your rewards. These change, so I'm linking the live page below. If you're already opening accounts anyway, it's worth checking if there's a gift card that you can stack. If you haven't watched how broker bonuses are taxed, watch that next. And if you're choosing an IRA home, watch Best IRAs for 2026. Links are in the description and I'll pin the key ones. If this helped, like and subscribe for more investing content, and subscribe for our free market briefing newsletter for the top market stories before the bell. And if you're interested in some free stocks, we'll put links to the brokers mentioned in this video down in the description.